2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Find your dream car and drive it home today.